I was hoping that you would go to this next story after that topic from earlier. No, you can go there. It's fine where you were. I was just hoping that you would go after the Apple Watch topic because it's kind of somewhat related.
Oh.
This is on Reddit, and this is a 911 emergency call, and the caller is a 5-year-old. So go ahead and play it.
My dad can't hardly breathe.
Okay, hold on a second, okay?
Okay.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Okay, what's your name?
Savannah.
Okay, Savannah, hold on. I'm getting them dispatched, okay?
Okay. You need to come real fast.
Okay, Savannah, I have them on the way. Is your daddy still awake?
Yeah.
Okay. Is your front door unlocked, Savannah?
Is the front door unlocked? No.
Okay, Savannah, can you go unlock that front door for me?
Sure. Don't worry, Dad. We're in our jammies and we're trying to go to bed, but can't hardly breathe. Stay calm, Dad.
But just tell him the ambulance is on the way, so they'll be there here in a minute.
Okay. They'll be here in just a minute. The ambulance are on the way. He really needs oxygen.
He really needs oxygen?
Yeah, real bad.
Real bad? Can you ask him if this has ever happened before?
Has this ever happened? No. So far, so good. He's still awake. We're in our jammies. And I'm in a TikTok, so I'll have to get dressed.
Okay.
I know what I'm going to wear, but he really needs oxygen real fast. I'll be in my room, and I'll be putting on,
So, Savannah, I want you to stay there with your daddy, okay?
Okay.
I need you to make sure that he stays awake, so...
Okay. I got that. And we have a dog that's really, small.
So he's friendly?
He's friendly.
Okay.
He kind of barks.
He kind of barks? That's all right, though.
Lou, come on. Family, it's on the way. Come on, Lulu.
Is your dad okay still?
Yeah.
Okay.
So far, so good.
Is the fireman there, Savannah?
Yeah. They're here.
They're there to help your daddy, so don't be scared, okay?
Okay.
Are they there? Hey, Savannah, you did a good job, okay?
The room.
All right, Savannah, you did a good job.
It's okay, Dad.
Oh my. So obviously this 5-year-old's an absolute champ.
Yeah.
Like that was so well played.
Yes.
And the amazing part is the calmness. That there's no panic. Just executing the plan.
Mm-hmm.
And you realize, particularly in an age of like cell phones and things like that, because I feel like the 911 thing, is it talked about as much? Like, do kids that are 5 have access to a phone if you don't have a house phone?
Oh, right.
The training still has to take place. They still have to know what to grab.
Mm-hmm.
And smartphones can have passcodes on them.
Yeah.
And there's a different type of preparation that would have to be in place for that.
Right.
Shout out Posh Pete. You might, although in this case, it seems like the guy was conscious and he probably could have dialed it and handed the phone to his daughter.
Mm-hmm.
But she definitely, I mean, she may have freestyled it, but I'm guessing that there was some sort of conversation at some point in her life about 911.
Yes.
Because she seemed to just be so smooth with it and not panicking or not wondering what might happen. And I even thought he laughed when the dog got brought up.
Yeah.
But I think that they actually want to know that.
Oh, yeah.
Emergency services want to know if they're going to encounter a dog when they go swing the door open.
With the friendly question.
Well, yeah. He asked right away.
The size of it. She said it's a small dog. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Like she was
giving information.
She was on it.
Yeah. She was on a little bit of a tangent.
Yeah.
What? With the
Being a 5-year-old.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're talking about the outfit?
Yeah.
Well, that's just, listen.
I'm wearing a tank top.
It's weird to have people knowing people are coming to your house and your dad is out of it and you're like, what are the rules with this? Like
Yeah, because normally when someone comes over, you dress the house up, you wear your best.
Well, I don't know. I mean, She looks down. She's like, wait, I got people coming over?
I got PJs on.
the fire department's on the way over?
Yeah, Will's wearing a t-shirt, and what are we doing here?
So,
There's etiquette there.
but anyway, she's definitely a hero. And I don't know to what extent in this case, it obviously helped out. I'm assuming everything went well. But yeah, it got me thinking. I'm like, because I got kids.
Mm-hmm.
And it got me thinking, oh, the 911 thing. Like, you got to know
You got to know how.
the approach.
Yeah.
Got to know the approach. Shout out Cameron. Oh, Willie, dude, you're going to like this one.
I didn't see it, but I got excited.
Oh, you chose not to click on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. He saved his reaction for all of you.
Yeah.
You notice with this show, you have to do reaction saving?
I do, yeah.
Yeah,
And it's hard.
He does too. It's, you have to kind of, it's probably the coolest part of the show is that since we all pick stuff, there's going to be something you haven't seen and then
Exactly,
you
yeah.
get to see it for the first time. Well, anyway,